multiple states. We started in Georgia, went into Kentucky and Tennessee, and now we are here in Kentucky. We crossed into the border through a couple states and then back out again. So anyway, we are super excited. This is one of our harvest hosts, and these kind people were so awesome. They drove their golf cart around on the property to show us the easiest way to get in and out because it's a little bit narrow. And they gave us electric for free. Again, Harvest Host is a membership that you join for like $49 a year. And it is so awesome, the people that you meet. She's gonna take us to go see an Amish market tomorrow. We're in Amish country and not even in Pennsylvania. And so she's offered to take us down there at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, which I am so excited about. I used to go up to Pennsylvania to see the Amish buggies and just everything they had to offer when I was a kid. So it'll be fun to share that with mine. The other thing that we learned that I wish we knew last night when we stayed at a Harvest Host, when we had goats, we were at a goat farm last night. This was an active farm, she said, until about 5 years ago, and they had cows. You can't see that from where I'm standing, but we can do another video for that. But anyway, we have a 50 amp trailer, but if we don't use our second AC, we can just get away with 30 amp. And I did not realize that a 15 amp cord with converters all the way up to my 50 amp cord would work for our AC. So last night at the Harvest Host, he offered for us to have electricity, and we said we didn't need it, and we ran our generator all night long. And to run our generator, it's nonstop the whole night. We go through a 30-gallon tank of propane in one night, which is about $32. So might as well go stay at a state park and get water and sewer as well. So tonight she offered electricity, and I thought, well, we'll try it. It was the same thing, a 15 amp, and he can show you the cords that run. We have a 50 amp. He says he'll show you after. We have a 50 amp that runs into a 30 amp that runs into a 15 amp, and we said our prayers and started the air conditioner, and it started right up. Oh man, I wish we knew that last night. So now we know. If they have a 15 amp, we can run our air conditioner, and super exciting for us. Yay!